Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this natural looking feed in braid. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. So you're going to need some edge brushes. I use a toothbrush and an edge brush, some jam. You're also going to need some edge control. I use the 24-hour edge tamer. You're also going to need a water bottle, some gel of your choice. I use Wetline Extreme Gel. Also, you're going to need a brush, a paddle brush, scrunchie, and hair clips. So let's go ahead and get started. So as you see right now, I am taking my hair down. I have my hair in 2 buns to kind of stretch my hair out a little bit. As you can see, I do have very fine hair, so achieving a nice thick braid can sometimes be difficult for me. So this is why this is a go-to style for me when I want a really cute natural looking braid. So as you guys have seen, I am like spritzing my hair just a little bit, not to get it necessarily wet, but just to get it a little damp so that it's easier for me to maneuver through. So right now I'm just kind of like detangling my hair, getting the knots out, and now I'm putting it in a braid, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, just getting it detangled, getting my hair separated. And as you can see, my hair is really shiny. I made sure that I moisturized and locked it during the week. This is old hair. I decided not to blow it out just because I want my hair to look thick, and because it's fine, obviously when you blow it out it does get even finer and thinner looking. So I just like to keep it in the natural state and just go ahead and do my braid like that. So now I'm going back through and I'm spritzing the front of my hair, and I'm going to go ahead and start pulling the edges down that I want to have out. So I put a little gel on my edge brush, and I just pull some of my baby hairs out that I'm going to use to style. And now I'm going to go ahead and start pulling my hair back into like a middle ponytail. So not too high, not too low, but just right in between. And so I'm going to start off by putting some jam on it. I personally don't need a whole lot because, again, my hair is very fine. And I also have sealed my hair in with a lot of moisture this week using Jamaican black castor oil. So my hair is already pretty slick and easy to maneuver with. So I just put on a little bit of jam on the front of my hair and on the back of my hair. And now I'm going to go in with my brush and smooth it all out. And then I'm going to pull it into a nice ponytail. So now we're focusing on our edges now. I'm going to be using my 24-hour edge tamer and my Wetline Extreme Gel. So just a quick little hack for you guys. Always go in with a gel before using your edge control, especially if you have like an edge control with really firm hold like mine that is known to leave that white residue after you put it on. So I always shape my edges first with an edge control, with a gel first, so then that way I can get them in the shape that I want to, and then I follow back over them with the edge control, and then that just helps for me to not have that white flaky stuff, and also it makes it a lot easier to kind of form the edges the way that I want them to. All right, so now that we're all done with the edges, I'm gonna go in with some Got To Be glue. And I'm just spraying a little bit on it because like I said, I want this to be a natural braid. And so I don't like my hair hard and sticky. So I just spray enough to give it a nice soft hold. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my scarf on to set my edges and to also lay my hair down so that it's nice and sculpted. And now we're going to focus on our braid. So this is my setup for how I put out my braiding hair. And this is the amount of braiding hair that I use. So now let's go ahead and start on our braid. So I'm going to take out that braid that I put into my hair after I sculpted my hair down, and I just put that there to help stretch my hair out while I waited to get to the part of actually braiding my hair. I'm detangling the ends just to make sure that they aren't like stuck together or have any kinks in them. I'm taking some jam gel and put it on the ends and slowly working my way up top. And now we're going to start braiding in our hair. So I always start first by braiding a little bit of my own hair. So I braid maybe like wrap it like twice. And then I go ahead and start adding in a piece of braiding hair. And make sure that once you add the hair and you are yanking tight with the braid so that everything is secure and your own hair and the braiding hair are not like sticking out or have the opportunity to kind of like stick out of your braid, because that's what's going to make your braid last longer. And it's also what is going to help your braid look really, really natural. So as you can see, like every so often I'll do like one wrap and then I'll add a piece of hair, do another little, I guess you like loop wrap, whatever you want to call it, and then add another piece of hair in. And I just keep doing that until I get the desired thickness and the desired length. So now I'm going to take a perm rod and put it on the end of my braid. I love putting a perm rod on the end because that really helps to make it look natural, because I did not blow my hair out or straighten my hair. So my hair is very wavy and curly looking. So putting the curl on the perm rod on the end of my braid to give it a curl just ties the look together and makes it look super natural. I had some technical difficulties getting it on, but you'll see I'll eventually get it on. So now I'm going in with my Nairobi foam wrap lotion and I'm going to put it on the braid. And this is going to help to set the braid and also set any flyaways. And it's also going to help to make your braid last longer. And then the final step is I'm going to spray some Got To Be glue all over the braid as well. And this is going to help to set the braid and also to help it to last longer. I went off camera and did my ends, and this is what the finished results looks like. So as you can see, the braid is very, very natural looking. I don't wrap the base or anything because, like I said, that's what helps to make it look super, super natural. And it literally looks like the braid is coming out of my scalp. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
off the better things. I'm only doing shit that's gonna make me elevate.